Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset manually the service indicator of a Peugeot 807 from 2005. When we turn the ignition on, there's an indicator flashing up with a wrench, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, turn off the ignition. Then there are two buttons over here, as you can see. These two, the odometer button and the plus minus button. We're going to use the odometer button with the ignition turned off. Press and hold it while you turn the ignition on. Wait for 10 seconds that the countdown has reached 0. And as you can see, when it reaches 0, the indicator over here is gone. Do the check by turning off the ignition, turn back on the ignition, and you'll see that the flashing indicator is gone and the indicator over here stays away. As you can see, the indicator popped up to 30,000. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.